Welcome to my channel Luxury Car 001. Today, we're diving into a car that has shocked the entire automotive world, the all-new 2026 Volkswagen Passat. Known for its reliability and understated elegance, the Passat has always been a favorite in the mid-size sedan segment, but for 2026, Volkswagen has taken it to a whole new level, surprising fans and critics alike with bold design changes, futuristic tech, and powerful performance upgrades that no one saw coming. The first thing you'll notice is the revolutionary exterior design. The 2026 Passat now carries a sleeker, more aerodynamic body with sharp LED matrix headlights and a wide, commanding front grille. The proportions have changed slightly, making it look more premium and aggressive than ever before. It's clear that Volkswagen is no longer playing it safe with the Passat's look. This car now stands out in a crowd, competing with luxury sedans in both form and function. Inside, the cabin is where things get really futuristic. You're greeted by a massive curved digital display that integrates both the driver's cluster and the infotainment system in one seamless piece of glass. Touch-sensitive climate controls, ambient lighting, and high-grade materials give the interior a tech-forward yet comfortable feel. It's not just a step up from the previous Model 8, it's a giant leap. Rear passengers will also enjoy more space, thanks to the stretched wheelbase, making it a practical family car that doesn't sacrifice style or innovation. Under the hood, the 2026 Passat offers multiple powertrain options, but the biggest surprise is the plug-in hybrid variant. It pairs a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of around 270 horsepower. It can go over 100 kilometers on electric power alone, a game changer for daily commuters who want to go green without losing performance. There's also a mild hybrid version for those who want improved fuel efficiency without fully committing to electrification. Safety is another area where the Passat shocks everyone. It includes Volkswagen's latest IQ.Drive system, which offers semi-autonomous driving features like adaptive cruise control with lane centering, emergency assist, and predictive pedestrian detection. This is cutting-edge technology usually reserved for high-end luxury cars. Now standard in a Passat, Volkswagen has also focused on sustainability. Many interior elements are made from recycled materials, and even the factory producing the new Passat is designed to operate with minimal carbon emissions. It's part of Volkswagen's commitment to a greener future, and it adds even more value to this incredible sedan. The 2026 Volkswagen Passat isn't just a car, it's a statement. It proves that innovation, luxury, and eco-consciousness can all come together in one affordable package. Whether you're a longtime fan or someone looking for a fresh new ride, this model will absolutely shock you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel Luxury Car 001 for more exciting reviews. Thanks for watching.